Sam wants his ball more than anything in the world right now. You just can't reach. Sam, what's the matter? Sam, you can't get your ball? Sam, you're not doing a very good job. Sam, come on over here. Come get it from here. Come get it. You get it, Ollie. Go get it, Sam. Can you get it? Huh? You can get your ball. You want that ball. Oh, how about that one? How about this ball? You want this one? Oh, what about that one? Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh!